Good morning, guys. So I just woke up and let's see how easy it is to create a website using AI. I'm not going to use a lot of advanced prompt. Everything I'm going to do in this video is not planned. So everything what you're seeing right now will be in real time, and I'm going to use free tools or free AI tools to create this simple website. So let's test it that how easy in 2026 to create a website for a beginner or a non-techie person. The important thing would be we do not need to give advanced prompting. We try to keep it very simple. And we're going to use free tool which is Google AI Studio, or you can say Gemini. I will also add the link to go to this website in the description of this video. Click on Google AI Studio and then here you are. You might need to log in your account. Right now I'm logged in my pro account. So let me do one thing. Let me go to a free account and then you can see we are on a free account here. So now the big thing here is like we want to create this website for a simple business, because most of the time people criticize AI that when you create website using AI, you cannot edit those websites later, or you cannot have very advanced functioning, or they're not really very well editable. And I totally agree with it. And I'm also a developer. I also want that kind of control. But to be practical and to be honest, not everybody need those kind of website. I think most of the people who are watching these kind of tutorials, they want to have just a website which is good looking, it gives them leads, or it's just there for display portfolio and getting clients. So today our objective will be to create a website using simple prompts. I'm not going to give you advanced prompt engineering course today. I'll not sell you any course or anything. Everything gonna be super simple. So we want a simple website with a feature where people can contact you, submit the information or a form. We're gonna use Google Forms on this website, so you don't need to be dependent on some advanced PHP website or anything. Simple plain HTML CSS website, because that is really easy. So let's say we're going to create a website today about a small business. Okay, so I'll give example of a one business and you can change that word and you can use your own business, whatever you are. If you're a web designer, if you're a photographer, if you're a painter, if you're a small electrical business company, if you're a small restaurant, anything. So just follow this tutorial. So what I'm going to do here, just click on text, then allow. Okay, so I want to create a simple website for my business of let's say web design. So this website should be very simple and elegant. This should have two important features. One is a Google form. So I will receive email if somebody submit a form on a website, and then I need to have a WhatsApp button where I can enter my own WhatsApp number and people can connect with me via WhatsApp. And make this website in HTML CSS only so that I can put the website easily online. Okay, so here is our prompt. Looks nice. Okay, so let's do one thing, and you can see I'm using my free account. So I click on build. Let's see what Gemini does. And this will also a test for seeing that how good these AI tools are, because sometimes I'm really disappointed. Here we can see it is giving us some options. For example, design preview. So we can select different designs. So it's like sleek interface. Then your artistic flair, professional polish, geometric balance, clean minimalism. I like minimalism, but still depend on you what kind of business you have. Clean minimalism. Click on select this design. You can also skip this. And you can see here there are a lot of simple tips are here. For example, if you want to integrate simple blog, we're not going to do that. We're just keeping it very simple, because I really don't understand why sometimes people want a simple website, but a lot of complexity is added to those websites. Not everybody want to create this gigantic apps using AI. No, sometimes we just want simple things. So simple things need simple prompt and need simple elements on this website. Only a small website with contact form by Google Form and a WhatsApp button. That's all we want. Okay, here we are. You can see it took some time. You can see here I can change my agency name or business name here. You can use whatever you want and some headline slogan. And then mission paragraph also. It already filled myself, so I'm not going to change it. But also you can see here, this is my Google form here, which is embedded here. So now it requires few things from me. So what I will do, I will add my WhatsApp number here. Let me add my number here. And we will also test if we are receiving real message or not. Okay, first of all, let's do one thing. Let's download this file and see whether it is working or not. So here we can see download index.html. So this is the file. Let me open. Okay, here you can see, oh, this website looks not so bad. So this is the whole purpose. Not a lot of people want very complex website. A lot of people want simple website. They just want to have presence online, have like booking form. There's some mistakes here we can see. I'm not going to make this a perfect project. This is just a test to see if we can create working easy website using AI and not paying any money to have this website. Looks real nice. So this looks like little bit like very too much clean and minimalist. So let's do one thing. Let's choose in mint green or let's do tangerine. And now if I download the file, let's open this. Okay, we can see something has changed, not really big drastic change here, but yes, it's an accent here of the color we have chosen. Now few things what we can do here. So for example, like you can see the website looks nice. It's a one page website. We just want to create simple website. We can create multiple page website also, but just keep it simple. Okay. So we have one page website. One thing I will suggest you here, because sometimes people want to add their own things. We are creating this simple project, but we want our own things. Okay, so this project is like live project. I haven't planned for it. I just want to test how easy it is. So I'll just add some random images. So what you can do, you can upload files and you can add real images of your business. For example, you have a coffee shop, or if you have a web design agency, what design you have created in the past. I've just add some random images here I have on my computer to be displayed here. Click open. I'll just say, please use these images on the website, and also add the Google form to send the emails on my email ID. You can add your email ID here. We already added the WhatsApp number here. So click on send prompt. Okay, here we can see the process is finished. So we have the new website here. So if you now click on download index.html, let's open this one. And here you can see we have the similar website. You can see we have some issues with the images, and this can be something complicated for a person who is not very technical. So what we can do, we can try to fix these things, and you can see here these images are also broken because this is a realistic video that whether we can create a website or not. I'm not trying here to make everything work here. Here you can see with project inquiry also. So let's try to test this form. Let's say Abhishek, then email, then test, and then click on submit campaign briefing. Unable to submit form. So you can see here the form is also not working. So what else is working? Let's try to see if the chat with us is working. So if I click here, okay, I will open my WhatsApp in local system. Hi Abhi, I'm interested in web design. And then I will see if I receive the message or not. Okay, so WhatsApp button is working. People are able to connect with me. But what about the website? You can see website is not working very properly. So the images you provided in the website, they are not working. They are broken. Can you try to fix those images? Or what you can do, use dummy images, but they should be working. Please test the whole website. Some images are not working. Okay, now let's see if Gemini is able to fix this or not. Okay, so here you can see it tried to fix the images. You can see they try to get a folder and then they try to put all the images. But if I click here on index.html, we have downloaded a new file. Let me do one thing. Let me reload the app. So if I reload the app, if I now download the file, I don't see any change happen here. You can see images are still broken here. Okay, so this video is not about something where I'll show you everything's perfect, everything's working. So I can really see here, is it possible for someone to create website using AI with free tools? Yes, it is possible. And there's another part to put this website online, and maintenance is totally different thing. And now the final question is, can somebody create a website using AI with no technical knowledge? I think they can. I have a lot of videos. If you invest some time, you are able to fix these issues. You're able to fix these broken images. But yes, that might need a little bit of time. But still, it's not that easy that nowadays we are thinking about just one click you can create the website. Yes, there's some tools exist for that. But still, for a zero technical person who has no idea about all these things, it's still hard. And putting them online is another thing. So guys, that was a honest test video that where we are standing and how easy for a non-techy person to create website using AI tools, especially free AI tools. I'll be creating more fun, real, honest videos that using other tools like OpenAI's Codex or using Claude, can non-techy people can create website. Even I will be creating full tutorial step by step where you can take help and create your complete website. I'll guide you everything, how to create website using AI. If there's some problem, how to fix those things. So please make sure subscribe to the channel. And if you like this honest video, don't forget to like this video. And guys, check this other video on the screen if you want to create full website using AI. Okay, after this video, some people might say that I have not done something correctly. That's why my website was not working, it was broken. But let me tell you, this video is not a video where I am trying to do everything perfect. This was a test video where I test, like, if somebody who has zero technical knowledge, like for some people, website, the whole word itself, like something very complicated. So I try to do a honest video that whether somebody who's very non-technical could create a website using few prompts. So we saw with Gemini, it was a little bit complicated. Give me your honest opinion if you're non-techie and you have ever created a simple website or a complicated website without very technical knowledge using an free AI tool.